Thank you for joining us. This is Cooking with Chef B. Today we're making curry chicken. Let's gather our ingredients, putting them in place.
Mise en place.
Oh, mise en place is putting your ingredients in order.
The ingredients for the recipe are below.
Let's get started. First, peel and slice the onions. When you're done, set aside on a plate for prep. The second thing you need to do is grab your bell pepper and remove the seeds.
I personally save the seeds for my garden.
Then slice it.
Prior to recording, I took a bowl and filled it with equal parts of water and white vinegar. Set this aside for the Brussels sprouts when needed.
Grab your Brussels, cut off the bottom in a slice. Add to water vinegar mix. Clean and rinse. Next, the marinated curry chicken. You're going to need to dice. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh peas.
Canned or frozen can be substituted, but will need to be added minutes before you're done cooking the entire recipe.
Now we make our way to the stove. First, add oil.
I use grapeseed oil. It's the best to cook with.
And saute your chief's curry powder.
This is by far the best curry seasoning to exist. I also saute my curry seasoning to help the aromas come out or be more pronounced.
Next, add the onions and garlic. Saute briefly. Then add the fresh peas.
Again, if you are adding frozen or canned peas, omit this step.
Add a touch more oil. The chicken and bell peppers saute for 6 to 8 minutes. Rotate chicken. Saute covered for another 5 minutes. Remember those Brussels sprouts? Let's grab those. Mix well.
When you see Baby Yoda,
it's time to season with salt and pepper.
if you feel like you need more curry flavor, add it now.
Once done, add 1 can of coconut milk. Mix well. Allow a slow rolling simmer. Check occasionally for 10 minutes or less.
Here's the finished product. Now let's get some roti to go with our curry. First, grab a pan, medium-high heat.
Add oil or butter to the pan. Take 1 roti at a time.
Brown for 1 minute, flip and repeat till slightly puffed. Dinner is complete.
Let's make a quick plate.
Enjoy with family.